Your boy. You buzz this thing, boy. Hey, yo, ease up.
Your boy, be careful.
Let me tell you something. This donkey, you sell this donkey.
You buy him, you fucking buy
Me
him.
want to know all the aim in him.
Boy, you buy
All
him.
the aim in him.
Go, move it, daddy.
All the aim in
Move
him.
it, fucking Jack, and I do nothing.
All the aim in Hey, your boy. Hey, no put up on me.
I'm telling you.
Let me tell you.
Man,
Man, you don't get that bus.
Man, me, everybody.
Anyone else try you.
The boy, you can't move this shot. You kill you.
You kill her.
The boy, you got to kill the fucking boy.
You kill her.
The boy, this is for you. This
You don't sell this donkey, right?
You buy him.
And you had the heart to come and own this donkey.
How the fuck you get to
Because the man who take
thief?
me want you. Come on, one put me to.
One. A boss, the boss.
Why you busting me feet?
Your boy,
You the boss.
your
you
boy,
boy,
you
you
leg
boss.
up the shop, right?
You boss.
come in the
You
shower.
fire block.
Go in the shower
You
again.
fire block. Hey man, you take it easy now. God.
You attack me right, and you attack me right? But me no. Me not let you knock me.
Fire block.
Ah, so what?
Fire block. And you see what me do?
You see the shots?
You
Why
know what
you
do?
move your gym and travel
Why
to
you
fuck?
mean like for
Me
me?
know what we do now. Come and tell me what kill one I am.
Wait for
Hey,
you
hey.
over there.
If you cut this swap here, me tell me bust the face now. Me bust the face.
Come
Yeah.
back me for more something.
All you cut that up there.
Yeah?
You cut that up there.
But where you going for me fucking donkey? Travel what? You feel trouble in my fucking heart?
Talk about
Uh,
Me
You
know
why?
what you wicked.
But what?
I wicked the one say wicked. Don't talk about heart.
You more wicked. I for me more fucking trouble. You come
Me?
A knife I say in a hand,
You want to try something? Me show me pluck head.
Travel?
If you go to police station right now.
Your boy trouble the
You
trouble.
talk about, boy.
And
We're not going out, we're not going. You can't have me now.
why you come play for more trouble?
For you and for you.
Oh, yeah,
You
for
don't sell the donkey
You
and you don't give the
You buy 'em?
donkey. Look, man.
Me ask you.
He's the man that come and give the donkey to me.
One man can get donkey, man. Now you fucking buy donkey.
Yeah, man. You make trouble for the donkey, right? But me tell you, anyone are you, but I never hit none of you. Unless I fire a fucking hand. But
Boy,
don't
you move the donkey for that today. Me murder your ass for it.
You murder what?
This is
You
nice.
feel I had this donkey?
No.
You feel I had this donkey?
Well,
When you depart the donkey from you,
me you what?
you don't sell the donkey for $1,000.
This year.
In the mat now.
Me will sell one get $1,000 back.
Why you didn't know what you?
But who pay you, Gilly? Who pay?
Who pay?
You me there where the receipt.
Exactly.
Where you there? Where you there?
I'm coming fucking out.
Where you there?
I'm coming out of the boy.
You boy that me boy bust the fuck
Where you
boy.
fuck me? I cut no up. I can't move me every donkey. I'm fucking up right now. Wake up and whoop a donkey. Bishop. Why if the boy move a donkey? He swear to fucking God. I want that man for jail. The boy.
Boy, I tell you, fire one thing. Are you